Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best inverter air conditioners you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many inverter air conditioners and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each inverter air conditioners so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an inverter air conditioner. First, check the energy efficiency rating because inverter ACs save electricity by adjusting compressor speed according to cooling needs. Next, consider the cooling capacity that matches your room size for better performance and comfort. Look for models with advanced filters and good airflow to ensure clean and fresh indoor air. Pay attention to noise levels, as a quieter unit makes your home more peaceful. Also, check the warranty and after-sales service to avoid future repair hassles. Smart features like Wi-Fi control or sleep modes can add convenience and help manage energy use. Lastly, compare prices and energy savings to find the best long-term value. Choosing wisely ensures comfort, efficiency, and savings all year round. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.